What's good with y'all, man? It's your boy Devon is Lit, and we are here with another video. Today we have a 2019 2SS Camaro, and we are gonna probably do a muffler delete because we wanted it to get a little bit louder, but it still crackles and pops on the regular exhaust. So without further ado, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Let's get it. So get my car back out because I still got my car, but it's been down for about a month. So yeah. Alright, so we just got to the shop and we're going to do a muffler delete. And we're going to put the blue tips on it. On each side, it's going to be one on each side. We're going to come back and do the quad exhaust when the diffuser get on. So without further ado, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. How she looks so far. We just got her. 2 days later, getting the exhaust done.
Sounds like music.
Aziz, how'd you do that?